Howdy friends, we are here again, Memorial Day, May, and we're at the Durango, and we're here to make a lot of money. Mo Mummy wasn't the greatest to us, hopefully. The piggies are first spin. Where the heck is the volumes? So, okay. Oh, keep going there, nope. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, sorry, okay. Piggies? Nope. We're trying our best to hit one of those at the top. Why not? Why not us? Okay. Some tape measures. We like it. Let's see the piggies. Let's see Wolfie. Let's see something. We haven't had a mansion feature for too long, guys. We haven't done a mansion feature for too long. Come back and blow some more. Oh. You can come down and blow 5 houses if you'd like, Wolfie. Almost 5, okay. One more row would have been great. Okay. Okay, what in the heck? When you get 3 in one stack, yeah. 3 in one stack, super whack. 2 more. I asked for the wrong 2 more. 2 more. You got finally. I can hear it. Anytime someone plays Firelink, it sounds like there's a club going on behind you. 4 more. 3 more. Come on, Wolfie. Three. Wolfie, what is going on here? Okay. Let's go to 2 cent. All right, now we're at 2 cents. Let's work our magic. 2. And then he jumped down too, because, you know, he jumped all the way down. Oh my goodness. Something is happening here, people. Something is happening. I think it's that. There it is. Something is happening, and that's what it was. Can we please get an upgrade and then go up there? I think so. Do it. Anything, not the mini, that's good. Oh, mansion. Oh, mansion, keep going. Oh, all right, mega hat. Mansions would have been nice, so we're at a $2 bet, 2 cent denomination. Anything is better than the mini, that's for dang sure. Let's go. All right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, that's good. All right, let's see if we can get lucky with the 9. All right, Wolfie. Bam. Great start. Great. Come on now. Okay, 3 now. Okay, 3 on reel 3, please.
Is this a bad one?
Yeah, this is what you're gonna say, a bad one.
It might have been a stingy machine.
Yeah, I think it's a stingy machine. No mansions. You can still get the major inside there. If we get any coins, that'll be fabulous. Okay, those 2 cents. Coin. No coins. Okay. Well, that was about $30. 29-ish, let's call it. Back to back. Is a back-to-back in play? Gold one over there. lot of piggies. I was gonna ask for 2 more, but the machine already knew to give me the wrong 2 more. 5 more. Oh, for the hard-working pigs, but not working hard enough. 5 more. Come down and blow them again.
You can have
This lucky one. Wifey said put in this lucky 41 cents. I agree. It's gonna be very lucky. Bam. See how lucky? Wolfie, come on. Oh yeah. Oh wow, the 3 stack never ever pays off. And finally, when you get the 3 on the first reel, it's always absolute sadness. But this time it's madness. Come on. Okay. All right, come on. This is very clearly deja vu. 3 on the first reel, come on. Okay, I'm gonna run away. 1 mansion at least, come on, 1 more. 1 mansion, come on, 1. Okay, retrigger, finally. Let's, please, now. It was just joking the whole time. Here's like 4 mansions, no problem. Well, 1 mansion, okay, I'm super happy with that. Like the way things been going, 1 mansion is lovely. Just don't be the minimum mansion, whatever, it would be like $17. Hello, big bad wolf. What is going on? What is going on, Wolfie? Let's get some coins here now. It's so crazy to get that 3 stack and actually get a bonus. That's been the curse. Here we go. Grand. Mini, 20 bucks. And we wanted a coin, that's for sure. At least it was a 10x.
Is it 20 multiplied by 2?
No, just yeah, this should be what it is. If it showed $20 in credits, then it would have been. Yeah. But. Okay. Oh wait, was it? No, I don't think it was. All right. Well, 2 more. I asked for the wrong 2 more. That was absolutely my fault. 2 more. Nope. Okay, I mean, what are we gonna do? I think we're gonna go to whatever even would be, or the grand. Keep going. Oh, 5 of a kind lazy pigs. We like them. Let's get a howler, Mr. Wolfie. Blockage, absolute blockage. At least 5 more spins. Let's say 500 more spins. And you're gonna come down, right, Mr. Wolf? He said, nah. Nah, bruh. All right. 2, that would have been nice. Okay. Come on, Mr. Wolf. You can come down and blow some more, right, Mr. Wolf? Well, okay, so I have a weird feeling with this machine. We're getting bonuses, but it's giving us nothing. I feel like yeah, the guy before didn't get anything either, right? We were just randomly playing behind him, and he got like an upgrade feature and won like the absolute minimum. Like he won like $70 or $60. So I think we're just gonna call this one a sesh. We'll go find another machine, huff and puff, huff and even more puff. We know how you are. We know how tricky you are, Mr. Wolf. We'll be back. Thanks for watching, folks.